Hi, I'm Pranit. Now I'll be solving question number 4 of MAT 104 and SIM. Solve the given non-homogeneous linear ODE by variations of parameters or undetermined coefficients y double dash plus 9y equal to cosec r. So the characteristic equation of this homogeneous ODE is lambda square plus 9 equal to 0, that is this one. So now we have to find the roots of this equation. So we can write lambda square plus 9 as lambda square minus 3i whole square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. So this has complex conjugate roots. So lambda 1 equals to 3i, that is in the form of a plus ib, and lambda 2 equals to minus 3i a minus ib, where a equals to 0 and b equals to 3. Now we know that y1 of x is equals to e power ax cos bx, and y2 is equals to e power ax sin bx. So e power 0 into cos 3x e power 0x into sin 3x. So the general solution of this homogeneous equation would be, homogeneous ODE is YH, which is C1y1 plus C2y2. These are y1 and y2, we'll keep in this. So let's consider this as equation 1, that is cos 3x into c1 plus c2 into sin 3x. Now as per Wronskian equation formula, we know that any two differentiable equations, that is w of y1 comma y2 is equals to y1 into y2 dash minus y2 into y1 dash. We are finding the determinant, that is cos 3x into sin 3x differentiation minus sin 3x into cos 3x differentiation. So we will get cos 3x into cos 3x into 3 minus sin 3x into sin 3x into 3, which is, let's take 3 common, 3 into cos square 3x minus, here minus of minus, here it will be plus, so cos square 3x plus sin square 3x. So 3 of 1, we get the Wronskian equation, w equals to 3. Now we get the particular solution of given ODE. By choosing zero constant of integration, we can write yp of x equals to minus y1 into integral y2 into r by w dx plus y2 into integral y1 into r by w dx. This is our second equation. Yeah, So let's put the values in this equation, where y1 is equals to cos 3x into integral y2 is equals to sin 3x, and r, it is cosec x. Yeah, in the question of the equation that is given in the first question, where y double dash plus 9y equal to cosec x, it is in the form of y double dash plus p of y is equals to r, where r is equals to cosec x. So here the r value is cosec x, by w, which you have solved, is 3, plus y2 sin 3x into integral y1 cos 3x into r cosec x by w, 3. So minus cos 3x by 3 into integral sin 3x into cosec x can be written as sin x. So integral of sin 3x by sin x. Now we can write sin 3x as 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So it is integral 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x by sin x. So we get integral 3 dx minus integral of 4 sin square x dx. So integral 3 dx, it is 3x minus 4 into, we can write sin square x as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So 3 sin x into 3 sin x minus 4 by 2, 2 into integral 1 minus cos 2x. So that is, yeah, so 3x minus 2 into integral 1 minus cos 2x dx. So we get 3x minus 2 into x minus sin 2x by 2. So we get 3x minus 2x plus sin 2x. So x plus sin 2x is whole into minus cos 3x by 3 plus sin 3x by 3 into integral cos 3x into cosec x dx. Now let's solve this. So integral of cos 3x into cosec x dx, we know that cos 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So integral of 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x into cosec x is equals to 1 by sin x dx. So 4 integral cos square x into cot x dx minus 3 integral cot x dx. Now let's assume sin x is equals to e power t. So cos x is equals to under root 1 minus e power 2t. Cos square x is equals to 1 minus e power 2t. So if sin x is equals to e power t, let's differentiate with respect to x. So ln mod sin x is equals to t. Now let's differentiate with respect to x. We get cot x dx is equals to dt. So we'll apply this over here. So we get 4 into integral 1 minus e power 2t dt minus 3 integral cot x dx. Yeah, so integral 1 minus e power 2t dt, so we can, it will be 4 into t minus e power 2t by 2 minus integral cot x dx ln mod sin x. Yeah, now here t we assumed it as ln sin x. So 4 is equals to 4 into ln mod sin x minus e power 2 into ln mod sin x by 2 minus 3 ln mod sin x. So 4 ln mod sin x minus here e power 2 ln mod sin x. Now we can write it as ln mod sin square x. Now e power natural log something will be the same, so I mean you will get sin square x by 2 into 4 minus 3 ln mod sin x. So we get 4 minus 3 ln mod sin x minus 2 sin square x. This into sin 3x by 3. Now yp is equals to minus cos 3x by 3 into x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x by 3 into ln mod sin x minus 2 sin square x. We know that y is equals to yh plus yp, where yh was the general solution. C1 cos 3x plus C2 sin 3x plus yp is minus cos 3x by 3 into x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x by 3 into ln mod sin x minus 2 sin square x. So here's the solution. Thank you.